Where does the mantra Hare Rama occur? Are the avatars Rama and Krishna referred to here? Is it a Vedic mantra?
It's a Vedic mantra. Therefore, they don't refer Rama and Krishna. But the word Rama existed even before Krishna came, Rama came. Rama and Krishna existed. It's a Sanskrit word. Ramante yasminiti Ramaha. Ramuk kridayam dhatu. Ramahadigan pratyaya. It is explained that way. So in which you discover joy, in whom you discover joy is Rama. The name, Bhagavan's name, the Lord's name. Parameshwara is a name, Purna. In Purnatvam alone you gain joy. Whenever you discover joy, you are in touch with Ishvara. Whether it is Vidyananda or Vishayananda or Yogananda, any Ananda, you are in touch with Purna, that is Ishvara. Vishayananda means Purna Ishvara. Purnamadaha Purnamidam. That Idam Purnam. That is Parameshwara. Both are Purna. The Ishvara in the Swarupa also Purna, in the manifestation also is Purna. Therefore, when you pick up Vishayananda, you are in touch with Ishvara. That Ishvara is called Rama. In Avatara also Rama is called. Therefore, Rama fits. The word was waiting for Rama to come. And it fits well with Rama. Khelati mama hridaye. Somebody wanted this also. Khelati mama hridaye. Ramaha khelati mama hridaye. Rama dances in my heart. As Purna, in joy, in whom I discover joy. Khelati Ramukridayam. Adanalan Khelatingiraru. Khelati mama hridaye. Atmatvena. As Atma, Rama is there Purnaha. Khelati mama hridaye. Ramaha khelati mama hridaye. That Rama, Dasharatha Rama, crossed ocean, destroyed Ravana Kumbhakarna, brought back Sita, and established Ramarajya, lived in Ayodhya. All this great description of Ramayana means all these are there set in Ramayana. This Rama also is the same. That Rama is this Rama. Khelati mama hridaye. Ramaha khelati mama hridaye. Moha maharnava tarakakari. Ragadvesha mukhasuramari. Shanti videya sutasagachari. Shanti videya sutasagachari. दखरायोध्या नगर विहारी, दखरायोध्या नगर विहारी, खेलति मम हृदये रामः खेलति मम हृदये. This Rama helps me cross the ocean of delusion. That was only a park strip. Moha Maharnava Tarakakari. That Ravana Kumbhakarna are nothing but Ragadvesha. If Ravana didn't have Ragadvesha, there was no Ravana. Ragadvesha Mukhasura Mari. Rajas and Tamas Kumbhakarna. Ravana Kumbhakarna. This Rama destroyed Ragadvesha. Help me cross, neutralize Ragadvesha. That Rama so went to the forest, came back with Sita, went to the forest with Sita. Sita is Shanti. And she was daughter of Videha, the one who doesn't have I am the body notion. He is called Videha. Born of that Videha, that knowledge, Videha Sutta is Vaidehi. Shanti Videha Sutta Sahachari Dakhara Ayodhya Nagara Vihari. That Ayodhya, that's a small place. This Dakhara Ayodhya, my God, what it is? Yodhumna Shakya Ayodhya. Nobody can take it away. And this city of my heart, the Lord rules. That Lord established Ramarajya. This Lord in my heart, same Lord in my heart, establishes the Rajya of all the sadhus, Paramahamsa, Samrajya Uddari. That Lord was Nilameka Shamala Varnaha, Ajanu Bahuhu, Kodanta Panihi. So that was Rama. This Rama is Satya Jnanananda Shariri, Sachidananda Swarupa, Rama. Khelati mama hridaye Ramaha kelati mama hridaye Moha maharnava tarakakari Ragadvesha mukasuramari Shanti videha sutta sahachari Dakhara nagar vihari Khelati mama hridaye Ramaha kelati mama hridaye Paramahamsa Sam Rajyodhari Paramahamsa Sam Rajyodhari Satyajnananda Shariri Paramahamsa Sam Rajyodhari Satyajnananda Shariri Satyajnananda Shariri Khelati mama hridaye Ramaha kelati mama hridaye. Hare Rama was there in Kali Sandarpa. Kali Santarna Upanishad. This it is there. Maybe after something that was written, this Upanishad also so many people wrote. Upanishad, something they have been adding. This also they might have added later. Or it was waiting there. I take it was waiting there. I don't lose anything. And therefore Krishna means Karshati. Sarvam. Swasmin. The one who attracts everything is also Ananda. What attracts is Ananda. What repels is sorrow. Pain. You want to run away from pain. And therefore, Krishna also is Ananda. And then I call Rama and Krishna. Hey Rama, hey Krishna. And Hare Hare iti. The same Rama is called Hari. Harati Papani, Harati Dukkhani. Dukkha Hetu is Papa. Harati Papani, Duritani, Sarvani. The one who robs away, takes away all the causes of dukkha. Not only dukkha, causes of dukkha. That's what Bhagavan does. Causes of dukkha. He's called Hari. Hare, you call him. Take away all my dukkha, all my papa, and be Rama with me. You are already Rama anyway. Fill up my heart. That is the Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. Sari. Abraham.